You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, meaning nut. In French, it's also nuts, so it works for both plural and singular. It's the same spelling because it already has an X at the beginning. So French pronunciation here, noix, the X is silent, and OI together as a syllable form the sound wa. So noix, you could spell it NWA. Noix is how to say nut or nuts in French. It's also French for hazelnut. Hazelnut? No, walnut. Walnut is noix. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.